Hello everybody, it's me Rachel. In today's video I'm going to do a couple empties and a couple trash things, like stuff that's not exactly used up, but I need to throw it away. Or it's like it's not used up, but it's kind of gone bad. I'm not really sure what the situation or something that I didn't like. It's just a couple things that I can't really pass on to people. It's not working out. So first I'm going to start off with the mascaras that I finished up, and I'll do mini reviews on them. So the first one I have here is the Wonder Beauty Mile High Club, and here is the brush on this guy. I actually really like this mascara, and if I didn't already have a high-end mascara that I super like and I don't feel guilty spending the money on, I would definitely repurchase this. But it's funny because it's in a squeezy tube and you can actually squeeze mascara stuff out of this. You see that? It's really weird. Anyways, so it's not exactly used up, but definitely past its prime. I've never seen anyone actually use up a mascara because technically you really shouldn't. So with that, I actually really like this, and if I ever got it again I would not be disappointed. So basically that one is good. The next one I have is the Essence Volume Stylist 18-Hour Curl and Hold Mascara with micro styling waxes. And I absolutely love this mascara from Essence. I feel like for Essence, being the brand that they are and they're affordable, make excellent mascaras. So, and this is the wand. It's very similar to the Wonder Beauty wand, which is it's more of a natural fiber wand. It's not the rubbery ones. So I really love this one. Definitely will repurchase this. I can just slow down with my words. And I actually really love this. I definitely love a lot of Essence mascaras. So the next one I have, the next one is Tarte Big Ego, which is actually one of my most favorite higher end mascaras. More expensive, shall I say. But it's funny because it has a really big giant fat wand. And there's my phone. I got an email. My phone is just like the most interrupting thing in videos. Anyhow, I absolutely love this mascara. This is the one I have a couple backups of full sizes in. It's one of my most favorite high-end mascaras, if not my most favorite mascara. These eyelashes on this right side are actually really sparse now because I have allergies and I can't help it, but I rub my eyes and my lashes are not liking that very much. The next one is the Tarte Superhero Mascara, and I do not understand the hype on this mascara, and maybe I just got a bad tube, but if you can see, I just pulled it out of here, and it has like a whole bunch of buildup of mascara goop on the end of the, like right here. Let's see. I can show you without touching it. It's all like goopy and stuff, and I just find this very clumpy. I know a lot of people like this, but it's just not my forte. It's really pretty packaging. It came in a BoxyCharm, which was really cool, but I just don't understand this. It's not something I would repurchase at all, and I'm glad I actually kind of finished it a little bit soon. I kicked it out because I just could not use it, so I tried my best, but it had to go. And then this one is the Lash Warrior from Flower Beauty, and it's actually a really good mascara, which is funny because it has that rubbery kind of spiky wand, and I just really like it. It's very interesting. It's very no clumps at all. I like very separated fluttery lashes, and this is a really good one. I will definitely repurchase that. And then the next one is the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. Now, I know a lot of people really like this mascara, and I don't dislike it as much as like the It Cosmetics one, but it's not my most favorite Essence mascara, if you will. There's a whole video I did on Essence mascaras. I will link it down below if you want to see. But this one, it's very similar in wand size as the other ones that I did like. And it's not the worst mascara, but it doesn't give me the effect that I'm looking for. I like very kind of full and fluttery lashes. This one just kind of just gives me some lashes. So, I don't know. It's not anything like this one, and that's my preference. So, I like this one much better than this one. And I would purchase this again, like if it was the only one there, you know, situations, but not my most favorite Essence mascara. So out of all of them, maybe I can rank them. So this one I'm going to put here like this, and maybe like this, and then like this, and then here. So in this order, right to left is the order I would repurchase and or like. Maybe, yeah, I say that's pretty good. Yeah, anyways, that's kind of fun. So there's that. And then I also have a NYX Control-Free Eye Gel. I absolutely love this. It's really easy to find. I can get it at Walmart or even at Target. But this one, it comes clear, but it's very cloudy and grody. But this is the wand, and it's just a brow gel, and I mean, it's not like, I mean, I just really don't know how you can really compare brow gels. Maybe if it makes your brows super crispy, I don't know. Very much holds my brows in place. I do have some prominent brows. I have actually no product in them today, so this is me going commando in the brow section. I really like that. Definitely will repurchase that. And then I have, let's see if I am correct. I have 3 eyeliners, and two of them I'm kind of, so this one it's just, I don't know if it's defective or anything, but it's just not working. It's very, very runny and liquidy, and it's just a terrible mascara or eyeliner. So I'm just gonna throw it out. It's not exactly like expired, if you will, but it's just not good in my eyes. Looks like I'm just not going to keep using it, so I'm just gonna throw it away because I've used it a couple times, so it's not exactly sanitary to pass on. So with that, I am also going to throw away, because I've used this a little bit. Like, it's gotten some use, but it's just really thin. It's almost gray let's see, I'll swatch it. I'll swatch the other one too. So you can see it's not a very black liner. I have a scratch on my arm right there. So it's not very black. So here is the Catrice one. I'm just going to swatch it for you on my hand. That's also kind of drying out. I'm not really sure what's happening. It's very sparse, and if I push too hard, it's like a really flimsy wand. It's just, I don't know. I'm not very picky with much makeup products at all. It's just watery. It's not good. So I'm definitely throwing that out. And then this one, I used to really love this liner. It was my most favorite liner, but Wet n Wild is no longer cruelty-free. So I did use this up, and it's not good anymore. I don't really know what to say. I actually pushed really hard, and it actually came out really nice. But anyways, so those are the 3 eyeliners I'm throwing out, and I also used up. And then I have 2 concealers. This one I'm glad I finished up because Maybelline isn't cruelty-free. So this is the Age Rewind Eraser. Himbe's all gone, which is kind of funny because I don't feel like it's really that all gone, but whatever. I don't really care that it's gone. Good, it's going out. And then this one is the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous I don't know why I keep saying mascara, but it's a concealer. So you can see it kind of has a little window to see through. I took out the stopper. It's really gross now. Has like dog hair on it. I know it's super fancy. So it's gone. I'm gonna throw that away because it's kind of gross now, actually. And then this one is the, let's see if I can actually see through. Anyways, this is the Milani Prime Perfect Face Primer Hydrating Plus Pore Mineralizing Oil Free, and I'm going to toss this because I went to go use it and it was incredibly watery and it has a weird smell. So it's basically all gone. It's actually down to right here. So I have used this up, but I didn't use it up in the time of it should have been. So he's going to get thrown out. And then I have a powder here, and he is pretty much all used up. I mean, that's pretty good pan size considering. And this is just the Maybelline Superstay Better Skin. Remember when this came out and everyone was like super stoked, and then it was like, this is the lightest shade. Anyways, so I'm tossing that. And then I have this Urban Decay, Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation, and it's pretty much used up to about right here, but I can't use it anymore because it is kind of going bad. But I did use quite a bit of this, and I really like this, but I want to try the new one that they came out with, so he's gonna get thrown away. And then I used up a e.l.f. eye primer, and then this I'm gonna put in a back to MAC and then just like give somebody else the product. This is the MAC lipstick in Plumful, but he's doing that thing that MAC lipsticks do, or any lipstick does, and it's fuzzy and gray and smelleth of Play-Doh. So anyways, I'm tossing this, or actually putting it in a back to MAC, and then just letting someone else pick something that they want for free. So with that, I'm going to put everything, if it will go back in this bucket, and we can see all of the damage that we have done. And I feel, I always like to do these because it feels good for me to say, hey, I actually use things. So everything kind of fits beautifully in this little basket, but so that is what I used up, and it does feel really good to use these products and get stuff pushed out, because then I don't feel like any stuff's going to waste. I feel like in the next time I do this, I'm gonna have a lot of skincare products, because like this is something I got from GNC, and it's like, you can't really tell because the cream is white and the packaging is white, but there's basically, it's being used up, and it's nice. To finish that, I have another face cream that I use at night, and then another thing to use at night that's basically at the way out. So the next one I'll have a lot of skincare, so if you like that, then stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss that. And without further ado, I will let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already and you're new, go ahead and subscribe so you can stick around and stay and hang around with the friends over here. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. I'm feeling a little bit silly today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.